you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time, but we're gonna try to do daily uploads again, attempted, but we have been just so busy here recently. But to kick it off, we're gonna show you guys this Dodge right here. This Dodge came in for lifter failure or camshaft failure, whatever you want to call it. It only has 149,000 miles on this truck, and let me see, I got the camshaft over here. You can tell this is the cam out of it. Give you a little bit of a short explanation of what happened to this thing. Well, you can't get the 6.4 cam for this truck anymore. At least that's what Dodge says. And so they said we were 34 days out, and this customer can't wait 34 days to pick his truck up. So we ordered the kit off eBay, and it is I would say it's a decent kit, but we put it all back together, and it was still making noise. And I couldn't figure out why it wasn't making, or it was still making noise. And come to find out that this, I don't know if I can get it on camera here or not, but so this is the 6.4 cams, and this is a 5.7 cam. And pretty much what happened is this truck got a 5.7 cam in it, and it should have gotten a 6.4 cam. This is a huge screw up on our part, but it's really not our fault since we can't get parts for the truck anymore. And I'm going to show you guys what the deal is with it. See this first lobe right here. Let's see if you can see that one. And then look at, this is a 5.7, then this is a 6.4. And you can tell that the lobe is actually a little bit bigger than the 5.7. And so we're going back in it, unfortunately. This is the damage it caused when it first came in. I'll show you guys what lifter failure actually looks like besides the camshaft. So these are the lifters that came in the kit. The lifters are the same as a 5.7. It's the cam, the head gaskets, and I guess that's really the only differences besides this truck has like EGR on it and everything, but the cam is different, the head gaskets are different. I'm pretty sure the heads are a little bit different as well, but the lifters are the same between the both. Here's the head gasket. It is a 4-layer gasket instead of a 3-layer gasket, so don't get that confused when you're doing one of these, because we've learned on that too. This is the lifter that came out of the truck here. The bearings are completely blown out. It's locking up. You can see the flat spot on it right there, and that's what causes this issue. So my plan is for this video is to do just a, I don't know, kind of a walkthrough, I guess, on how to do this job. I've literally done so many Hemis. It's just I've never done a 6.4, so I don't know the differences between the both. But now we do. We do know the differences now. So yeah. So we're going to get right into it this morning and go ahead and start tearing this thing apart. So I already have the one head off, obviously, because I wanted to see why it was still ticking. Well, we know why it was ticking. The cam lobes are smaller than the 6.4s, so it wasn't lifting the lifters up to seat the rocker arms on the valve. They're still ticking, so to speak. So we're going to go ahead and pop this other head off of this. We're going to have to pull the fan shrouds back off. The front covers got to come off. I'm going to try to do it without taking the oil pan and oil pump off. Now if you're doing this at home, I would probably go ahead and drop the oil pan and the oil pump. But there is ways to do it without dropping the oil pan and the oil pump to keep it in time. So I will be doing that because we just put a new oil pan gasket on there and brand new oil pump on this truck because all the metal ended up wiping the oil pump out, which this is the oil pump in the truck, or what came out. I don't know if you can see on the camera or not, but it does have some damage from the metal coming through it. The rest of the engine looks pretty good. It does run good. It's just the lifter issue. So I'm gonna start by pretty much, if this was all together and I knew the issue from the beginning, I would already pulled off the fan shrouds, the fan, and the front cover so I can stand in the engine bay so it is easy to work on. But we're going to go ahead and take all this off. The coolant's already drained out of the truck. Should be pretty simple since it literally just was together and torn apart, and now we're tearing it apart again. So it should be pretty simple. And the rest of this video will probably be a time lapse of how to do this. I'm going to set the camera up and just show you guys how to do it.